Can you believe that Module 3 is already completed? Time is going very quickly. This week you were put in the role of a medical assistant that had your patient that was visiting overseas exit the room upset and had to come up with a way that you could communicate and educate your patient. I hope this was a good learning experience and that the discussion board provided you a lot of information and thought. Our chapter was based around covering the objectives below, and we talked a lot about medications and indications and contraindications in special populations, and also how we need to talk about dosage in relation to those special populations. So we developed the standards below, especially identifying medication and indication dosage in special populations with older patients, children, lactating women. We also covered the cultural aspects of educating a patient and working alongside a patient with that, and providing essential information on medications. A big part of your job as a clinical medical assistant is a patient educator, and medication is a very difficult thing for your patients to understand, and it also makes them very nervous, especially in populations such as children and elderly. And it's very important that you learn and understand how to be a good patient educator and to communicate the information with your patients. I hope this is a very useful module and that you had a lot of wonderful experiences this week, and I look forward to seeing you next week online. Thanks. Bye-bye.